Guys, demo namin sa'yo. Fortuner LTD, brand new, full setup. So ito yung full setup namin. DRL, JCL projector, supersonic, hood logo. Sa ilalim, skid plate. So ito, 1 hour lang. Ganda, di ba? Nakailaw yung fog light, pero nakailaw pa rin yung DRL. So DRL always on, plug and play. No void of warranty. Ayan yung fog light, napakalakas. So yung mga madilim yung ilaw na Toyota, ito yung solusyon. Walang mabavoid, plug and play, 20 minutes installation. Kit namin siya. Ito yon. Then side view, matte black cladding, garnish, sequential lights, and auto folding. So right now, dinedemo lang namin yung Ultra HD Pro na dashcam. Yung front and rear, pinakamalinaw namin. Full matting, door seal, ito yung full setup. Tapos ito, sinisil lang namin. So trunk LED, rear